Welcome again to Cooking Around's channel. What do I have for you today? A specialty of mine, buttered chicken, and it's made in a slow cooker. But if you really want to, you can make it on your stovetop. So that's up to you. Now in this recipe, I like to use the slow cooker. Why? Because it cooks, marinates, and cooks at the same time. And you know something? It makes the chicken absolutely tender and it cuts like butter. So let me show you how to put this together. So go to the grocery store and get all your ingredients that you need. Fresh chicken, free range chicken, and all these spices, coconut oil, yogurt, and I'm going to try to make it as close as I can to the authentic Indian cuisine with just a little touch of North American in it. Now this is really a simple dish. Add about 1 medium or large diced onion, 2 tablespoons of Garam masala, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, and 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Now here you can add 2 if you would like, stronger. And to make my day, 1 tablespoon of hot chili powder, and about half a teaspoon of salt, but that depends on you. You can add more if you would like. And for that smoothness, add 1 cup of natural unflavored yogurt. Here I'm just using 1 container, which is almost a cup. And here comes one of the secrets. 1 can of coconut milk. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You can add flour if you want, but I prefer the cornstarch, and this will help thicken your sauce a little bit. And here we go, half a cup of tomato paste. And finally, to finish it off, 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic. And here I'm using this fancy dancy machine here, which just makes my life a little bit easier. And now that everything is in there, we're finally here. Let's just start mixing it and blending it very well. And this is what we want. Now grab your 4 large pieces of chicken breast, sliced or cubed any way you like, and add it to the mixture and stir it and blend it in perfectly. And now, here comes the goodies. 150 grams of butter. Just put it in the middle like this. Don't worry, it will melt. Now, as simple as it sounds, just put it into your cooking apparatus. Cover it for 4 hours on high or 6 hours on low. And try not to disturb it until we are going to adjust the recipe. Okay, it's been about 3 hours and I have it on the high setting. So now I want you to remove the lid and I want you to taste it now and see if it's to your taste. But also, now you have to see how thick do you want this sauce. As for me, I like the sauce a little bit thicker, so I'm adding another tablespoon of cornstarch with some water. Now, if you want it thicker, just add more cornstarch. And now I'm adding about 1/3 of a cup of fresh parsley. And you can chop it as fine as you want. Now I want you to cover it, put it back to your setting of high and let it go for the remainder of your time depending on your setting. So here we are. It's been about 4 hours. Take a look at this. Isn't this absolutely awesome? So once again, thank you for allowing me to show you this video. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.